are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Thank you all for joining me today. If you're looking for quick, affordable, and super cute gifts, this is what I'm bringing to you today. So let me show you both projects first before we get into the tutorial. The first project we're going to be making is the DIY drawstring treat bags. These are so quick and easy to make, y'all. Yeah, these are super cute. This is how it looks. You can put treats in here. You can put gift cards, you know, just little mini gifts, or even these would be great stocking stuffers as well. Get Dollar Tree little mini items, put it in there and give someone with those. And then you can also extend your measurements. I made a bigger one as well. I just put deodorant. Let's go ahead and get into our first project. So what you will need, so you're going to need your two outer fabric, and so let's put one aside because we're going to be marking just one of them. In the top corner, we're going to mark down 5 centimeters. Do the same for the other side. And now we just mark that so we can know where to start sewing from, all the way down and going around and then coming back up. So about 1/2 centimeter seam allowance you're going to leave to sew. And even at the bottom, I'm going to do 1/2 centimeter, and then the side too as well. 1/2 centimeter all the way around. You're going to draw a line, and so it should now look like that. Where you stop right here, you're going all the way around. This is just to guide you. So we're going to get our other fabric, and we're going to lay this one on top of there, right side touching each other. You're going to pin that in place, and you're going to go to the machine and you're going to sew starting from that line right there. We mark all the way down across, and then going up and stop right there, the other line. You now have it sewn. Down. The place that we marked right there, you're just gonna cut. Do not cut this stitch line, just cut close by it. Do not cut over it, okay? You don't want to undo those stitches. Okay, so the same thing with the other side. Is the line that we marked, just to leave. Okay, you can go ahead and trim these edges off. Sure, when you trim, push this aside like that, so you won't cut the top section off. Make sure you lift it up, okay, and go all the way around. Once you finish cutting around, it should now look like that. And so these top corners, we are going to take that, and we are going to be folding this twice. One time at the top, fold one more time, and match this piece at the bottom here. Okay, and so I did this side, I already ironed it out, so let me show you. This is how it's going to look when you fold it. Fold it one time, you're going to fold it one more time, and it should now line up like that. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for this side, all 4 corners. You're going to move this out the way, the bottom part, you're going to move out the way, drop it down like that. That way you don't sew it together. Okay, and it should now look like that. You're going to go and sew straight down here, this corner as well. And then you're going to do the same thing, repeat the same step, drop that down, pull that up, and then sew down here and down here. You should now have this sewn. Corners, all 4 corners should be sewn. Okay, and if that's too challenging for beginners, just go ahead and get some fabric glue and glue those corners if you don't want to go through that step. You're going to fold the top part and we're going to fold that down one more time about this length right here. You're going to iron it out and then you're going to fold it one more time at the edge of that right there. We're going to stop right there at the edge. Okay, you now have this iron out and you're going to fold it one more time. We're going to go to machine and we're going to sew all the way over. Do the same thing to the other side too, all the way over. And I don't want to forget, when you sew, you're going to move this down. It needs to stay down so you won't sew over it, and then you're going to be sewing straight across. You should now have it sewn. It should now look like that. Okay, third section. Go ahead and flip this inside out. Now we're gonna need our twine here. I'm gonna use, but you can use ribbon. You can get yourself a safety pin and put it on your ribbon and feed that through the hole right here, okay? So push that through all the way around. So you're gonna bring it all the way around, a little bit through, to the other, all the way around. Keep going. Okay, until you pull it all the way out. And so you have one section. You just tie the edge together so that won't come out. Now it should look like that. And so we got this corner done. So we're gonna go ahead and thread the other side through this one here and bring it all the way around and stop on this side. Okay, you're gonna take it on this other end, push it through there, bring it all the way around. Okay, pull it through, even through the other one too. Bring it all the way around until you come to the other side. And then you do just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and tie this end as well. Beautiful drawstring bag. Isn't that cute? So we finished with that. Let's go ahead and get our second project. They look like this. Super cute. You can stuff these with whatever you want to stuff these. I put makeup in there. Got some stuff from Dollar Tree. Just threw in there. Also purchased this from Hobby Lobby. If anyone is interested in this design, it's 6x6 cardstock paper. And it comes with 48 sheets. So if anyone's interested, this is what I use for these projects. That one, and then also made this one here as well. So cute, y'all. I just personalized it, put a little beautiful decorations right there, and then put some stickers. And these stickers I had gotten from Hobby Lobby as well. These clear vinyl stickers. And so I could add. These are cute. And so this is what we're going to be making next. So let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. So the materials that you're going to be needing. You're also going to need your glue gun or your crocodile. This helps to put the hole punch. So I have two ways you can put your strap in there. You can punch the hole in there like I did this one, or you can glue it on in here. And I used the glue gun. So I know a lot of people, the option is going to be the glue gun. It's just easier and it's cheaper method too as well. So we're going to use the glue gun for this project today. I need your scoring board. So let's go ahead and score this. So on your scoreboard, you're going to do 1 3/8 of an inch. Then you're going to rotate it one more time. 1 3/8 of an inch down. And then you're going to rotate it one more time. 1 3/8 of an inch. Then the last one that we rotate is going to be 1/2 inch, okay? And so we're going to do the same thing for the other one as well. So once we finish doing that, we are going to be cutting all 4 of these corners right here, just on one side, okay? So we're going to be cutting, I don't know if you can see the squares. To make it easy for you guys to see, I'm going to draw this line out. Okay, now you can see those lines, and we're going to be cutting this out, that section, and that section, to kind of cut all 4 of these corners out. That's what you left with one. Now the other side, I drew it out so you guys can see a little better. And so we're going to be cutting right here, up here, and up here. Just going to cut straight across and stopping at that line right there, okay? Stop right there at that line. Same thing with the other side. Cut. Stop right there at that line as well. And the top one, you're going to do the same thing at the top. Stop right there at that line. Same thing for the other side. Stop right there at that line, okay? You should now have it like that. And this side should be looking like that. Next step, we're going to be gluing this section here down, this section right here, and this section right here. Or you can use double-sided tape if you want as well. But that's it, and then do the same thing for the other side. We are going to be gluing the bottom section onto this one here, okay? And it's going to sit like that. So let's go ahead and glue. You need to glue this section here. Don't glue the 2 ends, just the middle. Just let that sit on top of there. And you could pull those scoring lines through. I forgot to do that. Make it easier to pull through. Just pull them ahead. I had to fold the rest of these scoring lines. I forgot to let you know. Just pull those scoring lines through. It's much easier. So we're going to be gluing this section here, these two here. And you're going to lift that up, this piece here up. Just let that sit there. The same thing for the other side, making sure it lines up. Now look like that. Tuck these in, okay? These 2 needs to be in because we're going to be gluing that down. We're going to be like that. So we're going to glue these 2 here. And so let's go ahead and do that there. Tuck that in there as well. Just push that in there. That side can be nice and it looks like that. Now let's glue the 2 sides down. Next thing we're going to do is put our ribbon in there, 7 inch. 2 of them you're going to need. From the corner, I just marked like a 1/2 inch inside. Same thing for the other side. And flip it over and then do the other side. Put a mark right here and right here. And that's where you're going to be positioning your ribbon. Just let it sit right there on that mark. And then you're going to bring this other one over and then you're going to put it right here on the mark. And you do the same thing for the other side. You should now have your ribbon in there. Beautiful. That is it for our tutorial. These will be perfect gifts, y'all, for the fam or friends or co-workers or teachers. If you enjoyed this video today, go ahead and thumbs this video up for me, please. Like it, all that goodie. And then if you have any questions, comment below. And thank you so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.